Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to your YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about external sources of recruitment. What are the external sources of recruitment are? External sources of recruitment. External source of recruitment refers to hiring employees outside the organization externally. In other words, the applicants seeking job opportunities in this case are those who are external to the organization. External employees bring innovativeness and fresh thoughts to the organization. Although hiring through external sources is a bit expensive and tough, it has tremendous potential of driving the organization forward in achieving its goals. External source of recruitment, the name itself says that the recruitment is outside the organization externally, which is external, where the applicants who seek the job opportunities in this case of external source of recruitment are external to the organization. External source of recruitment has its own benefits, that is, it brings innovativeness and fresh thoughts to the organization, which helps in making the organization to move forward in an innovative way. But whereas external source of recruitment is a bit expensive when compared to internal source of recruitment, and it is also a little bit tough when compared to internal sources. But external source of recruitment has potential in driving the organization forward in achieving the goals and objectives. Let us now discuss in detail about various external sources of recruitment. Direct recruitment. Direct recruitment refers to the external source of recruitment where the recruitment of qualified candidates is done by placing a notice of vacancy on the notice board in the organization. This method of sourcing is called as factory gate recruitment, as the blue collar and technical workers are hired through this process. The direct recruitment, the name itself says that the recruitment is done directly by placing a notice on the notice board about the job vacancies in the organization. This method of recruitment or sourcing of candidates is mostly done in factories and industries, where it is called as factory gate recruitment. In this process, blue collar and technical workers are hired. Employment exchanges. As per the law, certain job vacancies, it is mandated that the organization provides detail to the employment exchange. Employment exchange is a government entity where the details of job seekers are stored and given to the employers for filling the vacant positions. This external recruitment is helpful in hiring unskilled and semi-skilled and skilled workers. As per the government law, it is mandated that an organization provides details to the employment exchange about the vacant positions. As employment exchange is a government entity which collects the data from the job seekers and stored in their database, and this stored data is given to the employers for fulfilling the vacant positions. In this employment exchange, most of the recruitment happens in hiring the unskilled, semi-skilled and skilled laborers or workers. Employment agencies. Employment agencies are a good external source of recruitment. Employment agencies are run by various sectors like public, private or government. It provides unskilled, semi-skilled and skilled resources as per the requirements of the organizations. These agencies hold a database of qualified candidates and organizations can use their services at a cost. Employment agencies are those companies or consultancies who maintain a database of skilled, unskilled and semi-skilled resources. Employment agencies are run by various sectors like public, private or government. These agencies hold a database of qualified, skilled and semi-skilled and unskilled candidates, and also a database of organizations who use their services by paying the recruitment charges. Advertisements. Advertisements are the most popular and very much preferred external source of recruitment. The job vacancy is announced through various print and electronic media with a specific job description specifications of the requirements. Using advertisements is the best way to source candidates in a short span, and it offers an efficient way of screening candidates' specific requirements. Advertisement, the name itself says that the job vacancy is posted in an electronic and print media with a job specification and job description of the requirements. Advertisement is the best way of sourcing candidates for a vacant position in a short span, and it also helps in efficient way of screening the candidates for the specific requirements. Advertisement is the best suitable practice for this kind of hiring because A large volume of hiring in a short span can be done through advertisement only. Advertisement is one of the costliest way to recruit candidates, but when time and number are important, then advertisement is the best source of recruitment. It is said that advertisement is the best suitable practice for hiring the candidates in large volume in a short span, but the cost incurred in advertisements is very high. But when it comes to time and number of vacant positions to be filled, then advertisement is the best source of recruitment. Professional associations. Professional associations can help an organization in hiring professional, technical and managerial personnel. However, they specialize in sourcing mid-level and top-level resources. There are many professional associations that act as bridge between organization and job seekers. Professional associations, the name itself says that it helps an organization in hiring professional and managerial positions, which means they are very much specialized in sourcing the mid-level and top-level management resources. The major role of the professional associations is to act as a bridge between organization and job seekers to fulfill the vacant job positions in the organization. Campus recruitment. Campus recruitment is an external source of recruitment where the education institutions such as colleges and universities offer opportunities for hiring students. In this process, organizations visit technical, management and professional institutions for recruiting students directly for the new positions. Campus recruitment, the name itself says that it is a process of recruitment which happens in colleges and universities where the hiring takes place. In this process, the companies or the organization visits the technical institutions, management institutions and professional institutions for recruiting the candidates directly for the vacant positions that are to be filled within the organization. Word of mouth advertising. Word of mouth is an intangible way of sourcing the candidates for filling up the vacant positions. There are many reputed organizations with good name, good image in the market. Such organizations only need a word of mouth advertising regarding a job vacancy to attract a large number of candidates. Word of mouth advertising, the name itself says that word of mouth is a source of sourcing the candidates. It is one of the external sources of recruitment where the vacant positions are spread through word of mouth. Depending upon the name and image of the organization in the market, the vacant positions in that specific organization are spread with the word of mouth, where a large number of vacant positions can be filled with this source of advertising. Pros and cons of external source of recruitment. External source of recruitment, that is hiring employees outside an organization, has both its benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are as follows. It encourages new opportunities for job seekers. Organization branding increases through external sources. There will be no biasing or partiality between the employees. The scope of selecting the right candidate is more because of large number of candidates appearing for interviews. The disadvantages of recruiting through external sources are as follows. This process consumes more time as the selection process is very lengthy. The cost incurred is very high when compared to recruiting through internal sources. External candidates demand more remuneration and benefits. To conclude, the HR department should be flexible enough to choose between internal and external methods of recruitment depending upon the requirement of the organization. So, HR department plays a vital role in selecting the internal or external source of recruitment for fulfilling the vacant position in the organization. Hence, depending upon the requirement and depending upon the budget available and also depending upon the time, it is the role of the HR department to choose between the internal and external method of recruitment which helps the organization in fulfilling the vacant positions. So dear friends, in this video we have understood what is external source of recruitment and different types of external source of recruitment. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.